have a sore throat that's making it hard to talk, swallow, or even sleep? Don't worry. In this video, we'll share the best natural remedies and over-the-counter medicines that can give you fast relief. Natural home remedies. Let's start with simple, natural remedies you can try at home. Gargling with warm salt water helps reduce swelling and kill bacteria. Honey, mixed in warm tea or water, coats the throat and eases irritation. Ginger tea offers anti-inflammatory benefits, while steam inhalation helps keep your throat moist and clears congestion. Over-the-counter medicines. If home remedies aren't enough, here are safe over-the-counter options. Paracetamol or Ibuprofen can reduce pain and fever. Lozenges and throat sprays with menthol or benzocaine numb the throat for quick comfort. If you have a cough, guaifenesin can loosen mucus, while dextromethorphan helps suppress a dry cough. When to see a doctor? Most sore throats improve in a few days, but sometimes medical care is necessary. See a doctor if your sore throat lasts more than a week. If you have a high fever, white patches on your tonsils, swollen lymph nodes, or difficulty breathing. So there you have it, the best remedies and medicines for sore throat relief. Try these tips and you'll be feeling better in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.